Hey crew, it's me. Today we're gonna learn how to use a bandsaw, but first we have to put on a scrunchie and some glasses, and then we can go on it. So, first things first, you're gonna wanna make sure that your entire area is clean, that there's nothing on it, that way you can work on it and nothing will get messed up. So, now we make sure we have our piece of wood, and we come up here and we make sure we adjust it to the right height. We only want to bring it not that much higher than the actual piece of wood. So, we level it up right there, not too much higher than the wood. Then we want to tighten it right here and make sure it's all nice and tight. Then what we'll want to do is bring our piece of wood and make sure we have where we want to cut exactly. So we'll come over here and we'll adjust it. So I have everything here. I make sure that everything is locked into place and it won't move everywhere. I know exactly where I'm going to cut. And then I'm just gonna wanna press start in the green. Now here comes the fun part where we just get to cut. I'm gonna press start and we'll go ahead and go. We have one piece. And voila, I have all my pieces. Bye.